Hey, what's going on, folks? This is another S Group daily review video. We're at video number 49 already. Holy smokes, man. I remember doing video 1. I hope you guys enjoying this journey of mine here. Video 49. We just got our earnings today for the evening. My Forex earnings here, so daily deposit income. We got 0.41%. As you see, it went down from the last couple days, which is fine. Made less money, but hey, I still made some money. $45.66 got added. I'm just going to click on all is red. And you know what, guys? I just did 15,000 minus this amount, minus this amount, and minus this amount, which brought me to, oops, that's the wrong one. So let's do it up now. I did it in front of you. I'll just do it. Sorry, I did it by myself. I'll do it in front of you now. So that's, I'll just zoom out here for you guys. Okay, so that's 14,000. I'm sorry. Well, we're going to do it like this. So we'll do 15,000 minus 14,000, 14,165.58 minus the current monthly amount, 728.63 there, minus the bonus at the top that I received from team member, equals, look at that, guys, I'm 69.87 away from 15,000. So that means I'm going to flip over either tomorrow, which is Friday, or I'll flip over on Monday. And then next stop is 16,000. And again, guys, when I reach 16,000, I'll be making $300 every single week, which is going to be really, really great for myself. I'm going to probably start combining and doing withdrawals every 2 weeks. That's kind of my vision. But yeah, guys, just want to do this quick video for you guys to show you my Forex progress today. If you guys are just checking out this video, S Group, it's basically a investment company. You can invest your money into either the Forex market, S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, or liquidity mining. And basically, what you can do is once the money is invested, you can start growing your account. What'll happen is, like, for example, the Forex market, there's an intelligently programmed bot which does the Forex market trading for you guys. So you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is have the money in here, and then you start earning money on a day-by-day basis. Like here, as you see, this is all my earnings that I've had here. Goes on and on and on and on and on here, guys. Day by day, week by week, month by month. In the Forex market thus far, if you go down, if I scroll down to the bottom here, see where it says total income. This is how much I've made since I started. $11,181.67. Yeah. So that's how much money I've earned since day one, which has been just under 2 years now. It'll be 2 years and 3 months. So it's been like 1 year and 9 months. Yeah. That's crazy, guys. I've been in this company 1 year and 9 months. And yeah, guys. So yeah, you can see my progress. So far for this month, I've made, yeah, it says right there, 728. It actually says up here. Sorry, they changed the back office. So I made 728.63, which it says down here, over only 21 days have passed. So a month is 30 days, guys. So there's still like 9 days left in the month, maybe about 7 actual days because it wraps around a weekend. So I still have a full week's worth of earnings. So I'll probably crack 1,000 after next week, which I'm very excited for, guys. So I'm getting close to the end of the 5-minute daily review video. Of course, if you guys are wanting to become part of the S Group community, you want to sign up, click on the referral link down below. Also, yeah, shoot me an email, guys, down below if you have any questions. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Click the subscribe button. That way you can check out all my daily videos as I do them, day by day, week by week, month by month, so you guys can see all my progress. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for checking out this daily review video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.